For the years 2022.
Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Ma'am, no, we're just reading po the order.
Ako
Opo.
ng order, nabasa na po yan. Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Yes, ma'am. Opo.
Kasi this is a detention center.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Opo. Yes, ma'am.
For contempt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, may space kayo para dito sa kanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Diba?
Opo.
So,
Ma'am, let
para
us,
yun,
ma'am,
clear
let us just comply because we are mandated to read this order. We will just simply read it to ma'am. Yes po. Ma'am, no, I think that's a different one, ma'am. That's, yes, ma'am, but before I give you the copy, ma'am, will you please allow me to read it?
Can you just give us a copy? and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
we'll review it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I continue?